Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my holiday gift guide, and this is a gift guide for all makeup products under $25. These are products that I picked up for my family, my friends, my coworkers, so let's just get into it. I did want to show you that Sephora does have a lot of these items on sale currently, and they're on sale more than what I paid for them. So check out Sephora, check out Ulta, and definitely check out Walgreens. I picked up all these things at Sephora and Walgreens, so let's just go ahead and get started. I'll go ahead and show you everything that I picked up. The first item I picked up was the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb for $18, and this is great because it is a universal lip gloss. This Wanderous Off-Duty palette was $25 and it looks beautiful on all skin tones, so I picked this one up. Now guys, these Stila Mini Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow Sets are so good, and they're even on more sale than what I picked them up for, $17. These are great for the eyelid instead of cutting the crease. I know that these are really popular right now and they look beautiful on all skin tones. Now Tatcha came out this year, and I know that it is a really popular product, so this little mini skin mist is $20. Now guys, these are so worth the money, and they're on sale. These are originally $12 and they're on sale for $8, and these are so underrated. I love these lip stains by Sephora. What's great about these presents from Sephora is that they're already packaged and ready to go. You don't have to spend a lot of time packaging and wrapping these gifts. This was originally $20 and it's on sale for $15. This is an eye makeup remover and a mascara. I know is really popular and well liked. Now this is a Bum Bum cream. This is a mini size Bum Bum cream and it's $20. It smells amazing. Present this to the one who loves hand creams. They will love you forever. Next up is an eyebrow pencil. This is by Benefit and it is a mini ornament. It does come with a name tag so you can write to and from on it. Now if you know someone who wants a lip gloss and a highlighter in one, this is a great deal. This was $23 and I think that anyone would love this. Now liquid lips are all the hype, and this is a set from Stila. It is on sale for even cheaper than what I picked it up for, and it does have some red holiday colors in it. This set is $14 for 3, and look how beautiful these colors look on all skin tones. For those on the go, these are easy to wear and so convenient to throw into your purse. They're originally $22.50, but they're on sale right now, and guess what guys? $15 for 5 mini chubby sticks. This is a lip set from Kopari. I've never used Kopari before, but this is a lip scrub and gloss for $20. You haven't heard of Ebates? I don't know what you're doing. This is a site where you can just click, register, and shop at any sites that you were originally going to shop at. There's no bullshit. You are getting paid to shop at the stores you are already going to shop at. I get cash back. If you can see at the bottom, I do have $68 waiting for me in my account. And there's all kinds of shops. There's Amazon, there's Sephora, Lane Bryant. So of course with the Sephora, you get 9% cash back, and the percentages do fluctuate. I've seen them go as high as 11, I've seen them go as low as 2. So if you're already shopping at Sephora, why not get money back? Now, next up is drugstore. I do want to show you guys all the drugstore love that I picked up. I got some really good things, and this is Walgreens online. They are even cheaper than what I paid right now. Like, all the stuff that I picked up is on sale, so make sure you check out your local drugstore for the sales. The first thing I picked up was this 3-piece loose pigment set, and they are gorgeous. Now Profusion is at the drugstore, and this is a highlight and contour palette for $5, you guys. I got some good deals that day. I also picked up this bold eyeshadow palette, and look at that price. $5 for 9 shades? Wow. They had several different colors to choose from. There's the bold, and then there's also the basics. So anyone who you know likes their neutrals, this is the palette for them. They also carry LA Colors, and I wanted to show you that LA Colors does have more sales right now. It's buy one get one half off, and I wanted to show you this lip set that I picked up. It's 3 lip shine lip glosses, and this was really inexpensive. I also picked up the deeper shades. If you know someone who's into deeper shades, this is the set for them. Now, if the person you're buying for is like me and isn't really into blushes, these blush palettes are perfect. $5, you cannot beat that anywhere. If you didn't know, let me be the one to tell you, Wet n Wild highlighters are where it's at. Right now, Wet n Wild is buy one get one half off. This palette was $15 and so worth it. I couldn't believe the price of this. This was originally $12. It's on sale now for $9 and it's buy one get one half off. A mixture of lippies. Of course, if you are going to be doing shopping, like I said, Ebates is what you need to be using. There are all kinds of stores, and I will leave a link down below. Set up your Ebates account before you go on and purchase all of these goodies. I will leave my referral link down below, and if anyone uses my referral link, I really appreciate that. I do get some money back if you do use that, so I really appreciate it. So you're winning and I'm winning and everyone's happy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas to all of you, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.